Greeting everyone, welcome to Applied Programming Tips and Tricks. Today we will learn how to create a new profile in the Visual Studio Code. Normally we call VS Code. So you can create a profile based on existing default profile or based on any other profile. Also you can create a VS Code profile from scratch. So we will learn how to create new profile in VS Code. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go to the file and you need to click on the preference. If you click preference, you will see this profile default. So this is your default profile. If you want to create a new profile, you can create from create profile, or if you want to import some profile, you can import, export. So we'll create a new profile, click on the create profile. So it will ask the profile name, so we will enter a profile name like my VS Code profile 1. So choose what configuration in your profile, so you can choose you can select which profile you want, default or what. If you don't want to import profile from some other profile, so you just simply select none. Okay, and click on the create. So what it will do, it will create a complete new profile. And how you will check new created profile? If you again go file, preference, then you can see your new profile. So now question is why we need new profile. So let's say you have multiple profile, and in one of the profile you have several extension installed, several settings are there, but you don't want to utilize that. Sometimes what happen, extension that you have installed in a certain profile slow your VS Code performance. So if you don't want to load that extension or specific setting in the VS Code, you just create a new profile, and you can set up a new profile preferences, and then you good to go. So I hope now you are aware of how to create profile. And if you enjoy this video, and if you think like this video is helpful, so please like, share, subscribe, and share with the friend so that they can also get more useful information. Thank you so much.